Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a pinwheel out of a napkin. Now we're going to start by folding each of these four corners into the center. Next I'm going to rotate that. Now we'll bring the right and left edges into the center. Now we'll bring the top and bottom edges into the center. Next we're going to take this point that's inside right here, and we're going to tug that out to the left. Then we'll press it down like this. Next we'll move on to this point. We're going to tug that out, and then we're going to move it up to the top. Then move on to the next point, just bring that out to the right. Then with this last point, pull it out and then fold it down. And we are all done. Now I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.